Want stronger arms? Try these exercises and see the difference in just 7 days. Welcome back. Today, we're building a massive arms starting with barbell seated overhead triceps. Keep your elbows bent and curl with control. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Exercise 2. Moving on to barbell lying triceps. Fully extend your arms at the bottom to target those biceps. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Exercise 3. Now let's do barbell lying upper arms. This builds thickness in your forearms and biceps. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. Exercise 4. Next up is the barbell lying close grip triceps. Keep your upper arms steady and stretch the muscle fully. 3 sets of 12 reps. Exercise 5. Exercise 5 is the barbell decline close grip arms. Focus on the muscle contraction and maintain slow reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily workouts.